All right, guys, so I've had my hair system on for about 4 weeks. I absolutely love it. This is LaVivid's European hair. I do have some gray put in it to make it look very natural. Everyone who's seen it up close could swear that it's growing out of my head because it looks that good. It's blended absolutely amazing. It is virtually undetectable. It is extremely comfortable. Sleeping with it is a breeze. One of my favorite things to do now is I can't wait to wash it because I get to use shampoo and conditioner and style it. It has just been a life-changing experience for me. And I can't remember when I felt this good about myself and how I looked. But it has really, truly been a pleasure and just wonderful. It's just a wonderful product that LaVivid has put out, and I will be a customer with LaVivid for until the day I die. But it has truly been a joy, and I can't wait to experiment with other things, like maybe even changing the hair color some and having fun with hair again. So if you have any doubts, I'm here to put your mind at ease. Get it, get the hair on your head, get the system put on. You will not believe how it will change and transform you and how you feel. And all that depression and self-doubt that you might have had will just virtually disappear. But I can tell you that I don't regret it. I love it. I love the way it feels, love the way it looks. It is just an incredible product. So LaVivid, thank you for creating something that helped to bring me back to life. Because before then, I was hiding and always would have had. So thanks again. If you have any questions that I can answer, any concerns that you may have, any kind of trepidation, what people are gonna think who hadn't seen you in a while, or people who have just saw you one day and suddenly you show up with new hair. It's not about that. It's about you, it's about your happiness. It's about how you feel inside that makes you stand up a little stronger, a little taller, and puts a little swag back into your step. That's what LaVivid does for you. This hair system will give you new life. So don't wait, don't second guess. Give LaVivid a call, write them, send them an email, whatever it is. Get started.